If you own a Can-Am Canyon and you're looking for a quick and affordable way to boost comfort on your next ride, you'll want to check out our slip-on foam hand grips from the team over at Trickline. These grips are available in two different styles. The original series features a classic textured surface for enhanced grip, while the premium series has a smooth leather-like finish that's easy to clean. Both styles increase the grip diameter, which puts your hands in a more natural position. The added thickness helps reduce wrist strain and cuts down on the numbness and tingling that can creep in during longer rides. It's especially helpful if you deal with arthritis or hand fatigue. The soft foam also dampens engine and road vibration, making every ride feel smoother. And if your Canyon came with heated grips, these still let the warmth through but in a more balanced way, helping to minimize hot spots. Installing them is simple. Just grab some hand sanitizer, apply it to your factory grip, and slide the foam grips into place. No adhesives needed. Follow along with us as we walk you through the installation process on our 2025 Can-Am Canyon Redrock. Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the two screws that secure the outside end of your factory handguard in place so that you can remove the bar end. While holding the factory handguard, remove the two inner screws so that you can remove the handguard from the bike. Apply a liberal amount of hand sanitizer to the factory hand grip and to the inside of your new foam hand grip. Slide the new grip cover over the end of the handlebar and onto the factory grip. We found that the use of a clean shop towel was quite helpful to get the process started. Reinstall your handguard by aligning the pin on the handguard with the alignment hole at the end of the handlebar. Then reinstall your bar clamps and secure into place with the factory screws. Twist your throttle and release to make sure it springs back freely with no obstruction. If everything looks good, repeat this process for the grip cover on the other side of the bike. And that's all there is to it, folks. An easy way to upgrade your comfort level without breaking the bank. If you're ready to make your ride a little more enjoyable, head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of slip-on grips for your ride. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.